Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. Today we embark on a captivating exploration of South Korea's national symbols. National symbols are more than just emblems. They are windows into the history, culture and values that shape a nation. So, join me on this journey as we uncover the significance behind South Korea's national symbols and understand why exploring these emblems is a key to understanding any nation's soul. In this video, I will share with you the various national symbols of South Korea, and in subsequent videos, we will delve into the details of each symbol individually. Now, without wasting any time, let's start. First comes the name of the national flag of South Korea, and that is Taegukgi. Taegukgi. Now let's see what is the name of the national anthem, and that is 애국가. 애국가. Now let's see the national animal of South Korea, and that is 호랑이. 호랑이, which means the Korean tiger. Now comes the Korean national bird, and that is 까치. 까치, which is the Korean magpie. Next is the national sport of South Korea, and that is taekwondo. Taekwondo, which is translated as taekwondo in English language. Okay? Now comes the national currency of South Korea, and that is won. Won. It is called the South Korean won worldwide. Okay. Next comes the national tree, and that is 소나무. 소나무. It is the Korean red pine. Now let's see what is the national flower of South Korea, and that is 무궁화. 무궁화. So today we learned various national symbols of South Korea. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.